kami magiging tour guide nyo for today. Bali yung pagpunta natin sa waterfalls is 10 to 15 minutes all going down, pero manageable naman yung daanan kasi concrete naman po siya. Actually, we have 4 sets po ng stairs po dito, yung pabalik lang po yung mahirap. Kaya conserve energy po tayo sa waterfalls mamaya pagdating natin doon, okay? Speaking in English, I'm so shy. It's only 10 to 15 minutes walk, but when I look at you guys, it's gonna be more just like 30 minutes, just like that.
Being mean, but it's true.
Yeah.
Hold on, slowly, because I'm taking. They're really gonna struggle.
Nasaan yung ano na? Ay, yun!
Red na po lahat ng license nyo? Hindi lang po, ito yung bumatay, Jax. Ibang dalawan. Ito yung bumatay. Pagka hindi po pasang doon, ito na lahat. Sa ulo lahat. Kaya pagka okay,